welcome to Unlocking Chemistry. Myself Kingshuk Chatterjee, Faculty of Unlocking Chemistry. Today we will discuss about a topic that is ionic mechanism versus radical mechanism. For that we take two questions. The first question is CH3CH double bond CH2 reacting with HBr, and in the second case almost same, only difference is here chlorine present instead of fluorine. First we will see the reactions of CH3CH double bond CH2 with HBr. In this case ionic mechanism will take place. Due to the minus I effect of fluorine group, the arrow will move this direction and this carbanion readily attack the hydrogen, and we will get this as intermediate product. Then in the next step the Br minus will attack the carbocation, which is 1 degree carbocation, and we will get this product. This is obviously ionic mechanism. Why? Because carbocation is formed. Due to the minus I effect of fluorine, the arrow is moving this direction, and carbocation, 1 degree carbocation will generate, and Br minus will readily attack the carbocation, and we will get this as major product. Here the mechanism is ionic mechanism. Now we will see the second case. That is Cl3C CH double bond CH2 reacting with HBr. In this case the reaction will follow radical mechanism over ionic mechanism. Why? I will tell that later. First understand the mechanism. Since this is radical mechanism, homolytic cleavage will take place and we will get this. Now in this case 1 chlorine will migrate to this carbon, and this radical is much more stabilized than the previous one. Why? Because due to the delocalization by chlorine atom. But the question is why the chlorine is migrating but not fluorine. Chlorine has 3d orbital available. Due to this 3d orbital availability, it can migrate or it can form this type of system. But in the case of fluorine, 2d orbitals is inaccessible, not possible. That's why migration of fluorine is not taking place. Another reason is CF bond is much more stronger than CCl bond. That's why cleavage is not taking place readily like CCl case. In this case, this migration is possible due to the 3d orbital availability for chlorine, which is not possible for the case of fluorine. And in the next step, HBr will add. Now the question is, which side Br dot will add? Since chlorine is already a bulky group, two bulky chlorines are there, so less bulkier group, that is H group, will attack to this carbon and bromine will attack to the terminal carbon, resulting this product. I hope you understand the mechanism. Why ionic mechanism is possible in the case of chlorine but not possible in the case of fluorine. First of all, due to the availability of 3d orbital, and second, the bulkier size, larger size than fluorine. And obviously electronegativity of fluorine is also affected in this case. That's why we will get different product in both the cases. The previous one is X, this one is Y. I hope you understand the concept. To learn such more concept, you can join Unlocking Chemistry. Online, offline, both centers are available at Asansol, Durgapur, Kolkata. You can contact us. Thank you so much and wait for the next video. Bye bye.